This is Nate from Casual Backyard Gardening, and I'm here with the first video about how to set up your rain barrels. So let's get started. The materials I used for this project were 2 food-grade barrels, 2 spigots, 16 cinder blocks, a diverter kit, and 1 connector kit. My total price for this project was around $115 for 2 barrels, which is about 2 months of our water bill due to gardening. And if you only want 1 barrel, it should cost around $60. And this is for $20 per barrel, $7 per spigot, $1.22 for cinder block, $32 for a diverter kit, and $20 for the connector kit, which you can also use PVC pipes instead. Now, onto the setup. Step 1. Installing the spigots. First, you're going to want to use the smallest hole saw, which is 1 1/4 inch, and the diverter kit, above 2.5 inches from the bottom of the barrel. Then, you're going to want to insert the smallest plug into the hole. Then, you'll need to screw the spigot in. Step 2. Set up the platform. I set up my barrels on top of mulch, which I evened out before I set the cinder blocks on top. Step 3. Installing the diverter kit. For this step, you're going to need to use the largest hole saw to drill into the downspout below the lid of the barrel to prevent any overflow if you're using a trash can or anything with an unsealed top. You're going to want to screw the plug in. This will work for 2 by 3 inch downspouts, and it can also work for a 3 by 4 inch downspout, but won't cover the whole area. Next, drill the 1 1/2 inch medium-sized hole, about 3 inches below the rain barrel's top. Then, insert the plug into the hole. Afterwards, insert the diverter tube into both of those plugs using soap. Step 4. Install the connector kit. If you want 2 or more barrels, you will need a way to connect them, either with PVC or, in this case, we'll use an extendable plastic tube. First, you're going to need your 1 1/2 inch hole saw to drill 3 inches below each barrel. Then, you'll need to insert the rubber seals. Afterwards, connect the tube and boom, you are ready to go. If you need more instructions, please click the link in the description. I'll also have my materials in there. Anyways, have a great day, and may God bless you.